Hello Edge members and welcome to our monthly Forex analysis and forecast for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, 2013. My expectation is that the next 8 to 10 months will see a continuation of the downtrend that the euro has been in since its all-time high in July 2008. This downwards momentum will probably carry it all the way down to 1.1050. To justify this prediction, let's examine this market from an Elliott Wave perspective on the monthly chart. First of all, it must be noted that the euro was first introduced to financial markets on January 1, 1999, and any data that you see on any euro-US dollar chart prior to that date is not for the euro itself, but for the former European currency unit, and so shouldn't be used for Elliott Wave analysis, or any other purpose for that matter. In turn, our analysis will start from the most significant low available, which is the October 2000 low, at 0.823 to 0. Since its inception, the euro has been in a very long-term corrective phase. And while many Elliott Wave analysts have tried to decipher its journey through the years, here's what I believe to be the most fitting analysis. The entire history of the euro so far has been a supercycle combination correction, consisting of cycle wave W, followed by cycle wave X, which is unfolding to this day, and will later go into its final rally in cycle wave Y, possibly by April 2014. From October 2000 till July 2008, we can see a three-wave structure of primary waves, A, B, and C, completing cycle wave W. Both primary waves, A and C, were clear five-wave impulses, whereas primary wave, B, formed an expanded flat correction. Since July 2008, the euro started falling into cycle wave X, which is unfolding as a combination itself. Within it, we have seen primary wave W forming an ABC zigzag, primary wave X also forming an ABC zigzag, and we're currently in primary wave Y, which is most likely forming an ABC zigzag as well. Within this final zigzag, we have completed intermediate waves, A and B, and we're currently moving downwards within the final intermediate wave C. Now, how far is this downwards movement expected to go? We might find an answer by using Fibonacci clusters. At 1.1050, a powerful cluster of resistance levels at several degrees will form. Cycle wave X will have retraced 61.8% of cycle wave W. Primary waves Y and W, within cycle wave X, will reach equality. Within primary wave Y, intermediate waves, A and C, will also reach equality. These are all very typical relationships for these kinds of corrections. But let's take it a step further. Within intermediate wave C, if we assume that minor wave 3 will reach 261.8% the length of minor wave 1, that minor wave 4 will retrace the typical 38.2% of minor wave 3, and that minor wave 5 will behave in a textbook manner and reach equality with minor wave 1. Where do you think minor wave 5 will end? Assuming all these fairly typical relationships work out, the final minor wave 5 will end at 1.1010, only 40 pips away from our amazingly solid cluster of 1.1050. Of course, it's wise never to let our opinion, no matter how well-founded, dictate our outlook. We should always let the price action itself be our guide. But since it's not very often that you find all the evidence leading to such an incredibly specific price point, I feel quite confident about this analysis, at least for the time being. So to sum up, we expect a continuation of the downwards movement all the way down to 1.1050, which will be confirmed once price breaks through the intermediate wave A low at 1.2042. This Elliott wave count will be invalidated if price moves above the primary wave X high at 1.4942. Which is the start of intermediate wave A, as no wave B within a zigzag may move beyond the start of its preceding A wave. This concludes our Elliott Wave analysis and forecast for the Euro-US dollar pair for the month of July 2013. If you have any questions or comments, you're more than welcome to contact us by visiting allforexhq.com/contact, or dropping by our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/allforexhq. Happy trading and until next time.